here who's even come close to 20 shots Beverly.
You were merely adopted by it. I was born in it. You don't stand a chance against DizneyDan or anyone else. Molded by it. Oh yeah? That's what I think of you and your born in Beverly thing. You know what? You got nothing. Nothing on me, boy.
You and your silly promos, they don't intimidate me. I don't need all the flashy fireworks, the really cool music, the intimidating yelling. Not my style. I don't even need to chug fake bottles of Beverly. I'm confident enough in my abilities that I'm even letting Yoda hold my belt. My belt that'll be coming here with me. You guys don't stand a chance. I am inevitable.